Thousands have taken to the streets in Nagaland's capital, Kohima, to protest against killings earlier this month in a botched army operation. The influential Naga Students Federation, or NSF, has organized a massive rally in the city. Protesters are demanding justice for the dead and the repeal of the controversial Armed Forces Special Powers Act. Today happens to be the third straight day of protests, and the protests are reportedly escalating. They started in Mon district, where the killings of 14 civilians in a case of mistaken identity took place. Now the outrage has taken over the state. The Nagaland bodies leading the protests have promised non-participation in army civic programs and said they would not allow recruitment drives in these areas. On Thursday, in Mon district, the protest had intensified with a dawn-to-dusk bandh, with government and private offices kept shut and vehicular traffic disrupted. Protests have also hit Kifire, Tuensang, Noklak and Longleng districts in the eastern part of the state. Besides justice for victims and repeal of AFSPA, protesters want action against the guilty army personnel and that Home Minister Amit Shah withdraw what they call a false and fabricated statement given in Parliament on December 6th. Shah had said that the army unit opened fire because the truck carrying the villagers accelerated when ordered to stop. This is why the soldiers suspected insurgents and opened fire. The statement had caused even more anger in Mon as per reports. There, even effigies of the Home Minister were burnt. The army has expressed its regret over the killings, and an internal investigation led by an officer of Major General rank is underway, while the soldiers involved face a murder case filed by the police.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.